up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my June Heroes Tower mystery box. I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here's the box. Let's go, guys. Let's just dig right in. Okay, so all bubble wrapped up here. Let's see what we got going on in here. All kinds of fun stuff. All right, let's go. Ooh, look at that, would ya? Okay, look how cute. It's a gaming bag. It's like a fleece. Oh my gosh, how cute is that, you guys? It's a handmade item, and I do use these, guys. He sent me several different ones, and I have them all hanging up with all of the little things that I need to use to make stuff. So there's all kinds of little goodies in here. Let's see what we got in here. All right, let's pull it out. Ooh, what? What is this? Is it a magnet? Is this a magnet? Is this a magnet? It feels like a magnet. I think it is. It is cool. Look, Spider-Man, you guys. One of those like holographic Spider-Man things. I'm pretty sure this is a magnet, you guys, which is really freaking cool. That is a very large, sturdy magnet. Yay! Yay! I got them all now, you guys. So I'm going to be doing a video very soon where I'm going to be building up a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Lego place. But here we go, guys. There's Donatello. That is the last one I need, and Donatello is indeed my favorite. Chad, you are awesome. This was so super fun getting one in each little, sprinkled into each box. I love it. Ooh, what's this? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles playing cards. How fun! Guys, I do play cards. I love doing me some solitaire. What better way than with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle cards? How freaking cute are those? I can't with these. That is freaking adorable. Okay, that is cool. Ooh, look. Okay, hold on. Look. But I'm not showing it to you. Hold on. Let's open it up. Stop it right now. Stop it. I can't with it. It's Thor. I can't. This is so awesome. Guys, I think this is a money holder, and it is Thor. A lot of work goes into this, you guys. Make no mistake. This does take a while to do, and this is something that someone did by hand. What? So on the other side, I have Thor's hammer, and then I have the little pockets where I can put my cards, money, whatever it is I want to store in there. But there is also one really big pocket on the top there, and then they got these two little pockets right here. How fun is that? I love it! Chad, you were awesome. Again, that is a handmade item, and I love it. So then I have this really cool Superman postcard. I'm still working on the postcard project, you guys. I promise all this stuff is coming up very soon. This is my son's last week of T-ball. Yay! So all of our activities that we are into are going to be over, and I couldn't be happier because I need the break so I can get caught up on my channel and just get things going back in the right direction. Okay, so that is all that was in there. Let's go ahead and do what is here. And oh, yes. We have a Thor comic book. Look at that, y'all. What? How fun is that? I love that. That is freaking fantastic. Okay, we'll see what we do with that. And then I have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles with Batman. Look at that. Very cool. I didn't even know that DC did all this stuff, but it's very cool. I'm just saying. Very, very cool. Okay, so the last thing that we have in here for my main box is the Funko Pop. Who is it this time, you guys? It is. It is Scarlet from G.I. Joe. I can't. So I'm going to have the coolest G.I. Joe section in my geeky room. I can't with this. Look at her. She is freaking awesome. And I love that he's sending all the ladies, y'all. That's awesome. Loving it, loving it, loving it. How fun was that? Do you guys remember G.I. Joe? I cannot with all of this super fun, cool stuff. Check her out, y'all. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I can't with her. I cannot. That is so freaking cute. I can't. That is awesome. Okay, guys. So that was my main box for the month of June. I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second, clean all this up, and we're going to jump into what I got in my mini mystery box. Okay, guys. Now we're ready to jump into my mini mystery box, which is something that I get as a gift for supporting him on Patreon. So here it is, you guys. And what does that say? I am not a brony. I got to say, I don't know what that means. Is that terrible? Is that something I should know? I don't know. We're about to find out. All right. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay. Where do I start? All right. Here we go, guys. Oh, SpongeBob. And My Little Pony. Oh, does that say I'm not a pony? No, it says Brony, B-R-O-N-Y, but we got SpongeBob here. My Little Pony, so fun, you guys. I love this little theme here because I have been doing really fun things for like the kids at my son's school, so this could be a really fun giveaway for the kids. I loved My Little Pony when I was growing up. Look at this. So I have this darling My Little Pony keychain. How cute is that? That is adorable. I love it. We got little pop-up shops that we're going to be doing at the school this coming year, so that will be something fun that maybe I can put in a pop-up shop. Then we have this super cute Rainbow Bright lanyard. How darling is that? That is so cute. Oh, look at the patch. I'll keep this for myself and make something very cool. We have a Rainbow Bright patch. That's very cool. Definitely could add that to something that I would be working on. Ooh, we have Princess, what is that? Celestia and Princess Luna magnet. Check that out. Oh, how cute is this? We have a darling little paper clip here, guys. Look at this. How cute is that? That is just darling. That's adorable. And we have a SpongeBob postcard. Very cool. Who doesn't like SpongeBob, you guys? Most people love SpongeBob. Such a fun little cartoon. And I also did get the postage stamp, and I got the postage stamp with the other one as well. I think I forgot to show it to you guys. And then I have a My Little Pony comic book. Ooh, how fun. Wonder if I can do something fun with the My Little Pony comic book. Now, I don't wonder. I know that I can, but I wonder what I will do with it. That is so super fun. All right, guys. So that was my mini mystery box for the month of June. So, I'm going to pause for a second, and then I'm going to jump into the craft challenge that was from last month. I can spit all that out. I don't know. I just lost my train of thought, but you guys know what I'm saying. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the funnest part about this box, which is the craft challenge. So I know I look completely different because I'm filming this on a separate day. I just didn't get back to filming this piece of the video until now. So at any rate, let's go over what the craft challenge item was for last month. So Chad sent me this canvas that has sloth on it. A sloth, right? I'm thinking, do I want to cover the sloth? Do I want to incorporate the sloth? Because we have to do something that's geeky. Wasn't really sure what I was going to do, but I came up with something very cool, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. But first, we're going to see what Chad made with that sloth covered canvas. And then we'll get into what I made. So let's see. Oh, so we're not going to have a craft challenge next month. Chad has some things going on, so he's not able to do it. But for the month of August, we're going to do another comic book craft item challenge. Okay, this will give me a month and to work out something special. Okay, so we won't have one next month, but for the month of August, we are going to do comic books again. I gotta come up with some. Maybe I'll do more than one, guys. We're in the summertime. I've got the time, so maybe I'll come up with more than one item that will be for the comic book challenge. Okay, so let's see what Chad turned that sloth canvas into, and then I'll show you what I turned mine into. All right. Ooh, okay. Oh, how fun. I don't know what these are from. Are these from a comic book? I'm not really sure. But dude, it looks so cool. We have Thor, Captain America, Black Panther. This is very cool. Guys, look at this. Ah! I'm so excited. Look at this, you guys. This is so fun. Look at all the detail, all the super fun stuff that he turned this into. Guys, this is so super cool. I love it. I think it's awesome. So this is what Chad did. I transformed it a little bit more this time because, again, I had some time on my hands. You never know what I'm going to come up with when I have time. So I'm going to bend over here and pick mine up. And this is what I did with that sloth-covered canvas. Ta-da! I turned it into a wreath, you guys. How fun is this? So this here is the canvas, and I just made it like a sign that would be the background of the wreath here. And then obviously I incorporated some lightning fabric that I put over top of it. I'll have a video on this coming up very soon, you guys. And then I have Thor right here. And then these are McDonald's toys, guys. I thought they would be, this may add some whimsy to the wreath. So I put the McDonald's toys that are all from the Thor Love of Thunder movie. How fun is that, you guys? Is that not the funnest, coolest thing? And it's Thor. It's Thor, you guys. How exciting is that? Okay, so as always, guys, in the comments, let me know below which one is your favorite. Again, you can always say both, you guys. This is not like a hardcore competition. This is just for fun, and this is just to give you guys some ideas on what you can do with these items that he sends to me. So we have this awesome, I do love this. This is such an awesome Marvel extravaganza. And then we have my Thor wreath that I made out of the little canvas I I use the canvas part for the sign. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And again, you guys can definitely say both, okay? Sounds like my dogs are getting a little barky out there, so I'm gonna have to get out there to them. But guys, this is my favorite box. I love this one. I will have it linked in the description box below if anyone is interested in getting this box. You can always just email Chad directly. I think I have the email down there as well, or you guys can just shoot me a message and I can get it to you. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my June, right? Yeah, this is the June box. Yes, try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my June Heroes Tower mystery box. My voice went up. Try it again. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay, guys, so we're ready to jump into my mini mystery box, which is something. Okay. Okay, guys, so I know I look way different than I have the rest of the video, but I am filming this piece on a different day because I got really busy and I just couldn't get back to doing the craft. Okay, try it again. I know I look totally different because I am filming this on a different day, guys. I got really busy and I just didn't get back to filming this one, but we are ready to finish filming it. Let's see the super fun thing that Chad made. So, okay, let's try again. Okay, guys, now we're ready for the most, is that a thing? Most fun? The funnest part? Hold on. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the funnest part of this box, which is the craft challenge. I know I look completely different, but I did need to film this on a separate day. I just got way busy. Try again. I got really busy and I just got sidetracked and I didn't get back to filming this piece of this video. So we're going to do that now. We're going to go ahead and, okay. Woo, why am I messing this up? Breathe. Okay. Breathe and then try it. All right. Okay, guys. So now we're ready for the funnest part about this. I almost said this video. Well, the video, box, whatever, everything.